Hello, and welcome to the University of Kentucky's Technology Training Quick Tips. Today we will work with using the fill handle in an Excel workbook. What is a fill handle? When you're working within an active cell in Excel, you will notice a small square box on the bottom right hand corner of the active cell. That's your fill handle. Well, how can it be used? The fill handle can be used to create a sequence of days, months, and numeric dates. It can also be used to create a sequence of numeric values, as well as copying text and formulas. To demonstrate, let's say that we're creating a timesheet or a schedule. Your fill handle can be very beneficial for this. For instance, instead of typing in each day of the week, the fill handle can be used to create a sequence of days. Let's demonstrate. First, let's left click on Monday, that's cell reference C9. Place your cursor over your fill handle. Notice it goes from a thick cross to a thin cross. Once you have the thin cross over your fill handle, left click, hold the mouse, drag the fill handle to the right. You will notice that it will automatically insert each day of the week. Once you've finished, let go of the mouse. There, you've just created your days of the week. The fill handle can also be used to create a sequence of months. If I left clicked on my spreadsheet and typed in the month June, I can then create a sequence of months from June. If I left click on my fill handle and hold and drag it to the right, it will continue the sequence from June, July, August, September, October. If I left clicked on July and moved my mouse to the south, it creates that sequence. So clicking on a fill handle and clicking and dragging north, south, east, or west will create that sequence. I can even go backwards. From January, left click on my fill handle and drag it to the left, creates my sequence going backwards. As I mentioned before, the fill handle can also be used to create a sequence of numeric dates. So I'm going to left click in an active cell, type in a date, 08/28/2011. Oh, that's 2011. Press enter, click back on my fill handle, left click, hold, drag it to the right. Once again, it will create sequence of dates regardless of which direction that I use my fill handle. Okay, now that we have our days of the week, let's use our fill handle to create a sequence of numeric values. To create a sequence of numeric values, you have to first click on the first value of your sequence, hold your mouse button down, and drag it over the second value. That's the only way that Excel will know how to create the sequences, by first selecting the first two numbers of your sequence. Once you have both cells highlighted, notice your fill handle has adjusted for both cells as we did before. Place your cursor over the fill handle until it becomes a thin cross. Left click and drag to the right. Creates that sequence 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Let's go ahead and create the sequence of hours for Chuck, Ann, and Kim. Once again, we're going to left click on our first value, hold your mouse button down, drag it over your second value, place your cursor over the fill handle, left click and drag. Continue for Ann, same steps. And then also Kim. The fill handle can also be used to copy text with a fill handle. Left click in the active cell that contains the text to be copied. Place your cursor on the fill handle, left click and drag. Thank you for visiting Technologies Training's Quick Tips. For more information, please visit our website.